the hotels in the Western Division, all the hotels in the Sawa Group, and Vinaka, Netu Malolo, and the Mamanudas.
Right.
Kito bikin ni Mataka ni Baka Dhambi Singa ni Kua.
Julum.
Kito Romata Chuko ni Reresong Chuman Hotel and Pomo Island.
Wow.
Nakachukin na Kinapobuta Kin Hotel
Renovation,
and renovation
Right.
ng Onongo.
Iyo.
Ibikim ni Bakato Nutiko and Pomo Island Resort.
Right.
Na bikin the Bakibikim ni Mataka ni Binga Rabini Kua. And Vinaka Dems, and Vinaka Eleanor.
Yan naman talaga ng Onipuli ni Sembol tukumay na bay nambasi na bay lileso ena buku ni ngol kornibuli baka talaki na bikem ni na tamata kay so ena buku ni kanang karabi talen do talen na singa ning karabi tabi baka daka.
Well, good morning to Friday.
All right.
If Friday was a man, he was a man to meet in the day. Because, every day throughout from Monday to Thursday, we complete work from the morning till the 5th on the afternoon.
Yeah.
If Friday was a day, it would be you. Because Friday,
If
you
Friday-
look different.
Yeah.
If Friday was a man,
Yes.
Yes. New haircut
Yes.
today.
It means that you are Friday.
Yeah.
Because you look fine, and the haircut, and
Look
the
more bright
beard.
I take me tabang kesang-kesang. Yeah.
All right. Idemesi,
Yes.
if you are a washing machine,
All right.
I need you.
What?
naisulot abi ko napakatambo
Alright.
yung mela ko
Alam mo na brand.
Yeah.
What kind of machine would you be? Automatic or manual?
That's not a brand, that's an option.
No. Oh, I'm saying which
Yeah.
brand, and then what type of machine would you be?
I want to be a manual.
Oh,
Right.
manual.
Because
Okay.
automatic, you just leave me alone.
Right.
Yeah,
right.
I don't want to be loneliness.
All right.
Then you do
All
have a
right.
sasakay.
Yeah.
I hate it. I don't like loneliness.
Okay.
Yeah.
Loneliness is a killer of
Marathon.
yeah.
Okay. What brand would you be?
I would be a brand of
Shaky.
yeah. Yes.
Eh?
Iyo.
All right. The Messi.
Maxton.
If the Messi were to be washing machine, na brand is what you call it? Shaky.
Shaky.
Okay. Na matagal sul mga tabi ko tong besta kami lagan nila ma'am.
I don't want kaki. Gonna tell you.
Rakini mo ka.
Dali.
Na dali sa
Oy,
process kaki.
Ano mo kini mo to ka?
Kini mo
Kaki.
ka me duru mo man na uso. Yeah. Because
Yeah.
he will sound
Confused.
sound confused. But to kwento rong le na kana bulukaw ni.
Yeah.
It should look like a metal
Detector.
button.
It will affect the machine, eh?
Not affect the machine.
What?
It will affect the eardrum of my life.
Oh.
Oh,
Napakos
okay.
ko sa mo gitu.
It will make that sound, eh? What sound? What
Yeah.
sound will it make?
Yeah.
Yeah, that kind of sound. LS to kana good morning. I would like to say good morning to Nda.
Yeah.
From Douglas.
Yeah.
From Sumanao Sorry Corridor.
Yeah.
Especially to the family of the drivers around the country.
Right.
Sumanao Sorry Corridor, wherever you are tuning in from your wheels.
Right.
Right.
Wherever you tune in from your gear.
Yeah.
Whatever you sitting from your chair.
Yeah.
We are welcome you with your mirror, with your passengers. Passengers are watching.
Yeah.
They are in a sleepy mood now.
Right.
Because they wake up in the morning.
Uh-huh.
They face traffic. They are feeling unpredictable. Yeah. Because the day is the day.
Nangito ra kabili abi to.
The day will determine
Yeah.
who you are today.
Alright.
Some of us on our messenger, we are keep on seeing our messengers because our plan
Yeah.
has been demoted.
Oh.
Yeah, man luman washing machine ke luman basi.
Some passengers are worried, eh?
Yeah.
Some passengers are worried they
Yeah.
might get to work late. Eh?
Oh.
Maybe the bus driver is cruising.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah.
No.
But remember-
the problem is with us, eh?
But remember, if you are a passenger,
Right.
remember, bus driver too, they have their income in the day.
The drivers too are passengers.
Yeah, passengers. They are passengers. They are passengers of the bus.
Yeah.
But they have their own seat.
Yeah.
If they go, they ride like this to Nausori
Yeah.
Yeah.
or Monikos on the way they go. They come back. Sometimes you like this. hey, this bus, every bus stop.
Yeah.
Because they time their route into the bus stand.
Right.
Ito ko talaga non rangon nikele.
Yeah.
They don't want to be hurry.
Like Ben.
So you
Yeah.
need to be on time. Like extra hour before you go.
Right.
Yes. Sala
Dono.
ito, wando rawote ni mga totoro.
Yeah.
But so nang bus, yan daw mga maluer, daw temtataltungan non rangon nikele ni
Yeah.
bus stand. Ito ko non time.
So no wonder when we board the Rosori Suba bus, they always have that time, eh? Sampai ada cukai itu, sana tagi mai ko cukai muri o da muri.
Yeah.
Kau nak check ando cukai
Yeah.
sendiri. Satu cukai tos.
Jao.
Because of the time, eh?
Yes.
I would like to say good morning to all the bus checker all around the old
Yeah.
All around the?
world.
All around the old.
Yeah, to everybody joining this morning, especially to Sunny Boy.
Okay.
Marika, thank you very much for your support
Yeah.
and they help us
They are
to
doing
clear.
a great job.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
They clear the bus stand.
Right.
You go here. You stop.
Yeah.
You mga ososo. Jao.
Yeah.
Jao. Wait for your
Bako
turn.
namin sino iko.
Baka naman hindi balos bensin.
Right.
Wait here.
Yeah.
It's like that.
Right.
Sometimes they help the growth of the profit of the transportation in the world of Fiji.
So their eyes will be
Yes,
searching
yeah.
for.
They are not looking after the bus.
Yeah.
They're looking after the driver.
Yeah.
They're looking of the opposite.
Yeah.
Right.
Opposite what?
No, kaya baka if a man, o kana maray,
Yeah.
naridir na marama merawondo,
Right.
nakabangasi,
Yeah.
o ranondangon nelo, merawondo binaka,
Yeah.
so that kept them in a nice place,
Yeah.
so that they can sit and enjoy their ride.
And sometimes too, when I know when we come and we are wondering
Yeah.
whether our bus has arrived or not,
Yeah.
or already left, then they are the ones that we go and ask them,
What
what
time will this bus arrive? What time will-
and they
Yeah.
know,
Yeah,
they
because-
know every details of the buses.
One calculator in the head.
Okay, there's one thing I will always do read. Nirtundu smile value, which is taking or to being gravi.
Yeah.
But kaya lokal mata nurtunga bebasaki.
Yeah.
Right.
They
They
look-
want to nambasi.
Yeah.
But kaya rasum manambasi.
because
Yeah.
they are looking for something to eat.
And bus drivers too, they listen, they listen and respect them.
Yeah.
Right.
Because
Only the eyes movement is telling
Yeah.
the story, and after that, sorry, smile.
they are the
What's
wiper. They are the wiper. They
job.
are the wiper of the bus stand.
Yeah. You know, yesterday
Yeah.
I was boarding the bus to go home with the kids.
Oh.
I went to school, picked them up. We were boarding the bus when I saw one boy, one school boy. He climbed on top of the rubbish bin. This is the small rubbish bin in the bus stand.
Yeah.
On top, it's pointed like this.
Yeah.
Kona
Can you show me?
tini, eh?
Yeah.
Iyo. He was climbing on top and he was shaking like jumping on the. And then, thankfully to the drivers and the bus checkers around,
Yeah.
they shouted to the boy to get down.
Dina sir.
Otherwise, he can get hurt.
Hey,
Dina,
that's goosebump.
That's what?
Goosebump.
Yes, true. Iyo, dina, iyo. Barwaki. And it's also the parents'
Interview.
parents' duty,
Yeah.
responsibility to talk to our children
Yeah.
every morning
Right.
before they leave home.
Whoa.
Advise them on what to do. When as soon as they reach the bus stand,
Whoa.
they catch their bus.
Yeah.
If the bus has not been there,
Yeah.
then they just sit down. Sit down quietly and wait for their bus. Don't play around the bus stand.
Don't worry. Okay, which is going to tukutukan ng tao ba? The Eleanor.
Iyo.
If the Messi is to be the driver of a bus,
Right.
men driver yung bus ita ba?
Ko men rebo ni bus ko na dapat ko na la bus
Haflo.
Macau ya. Ko na bus
Hafulo mo ko rin na gunuchi.
Kerlachan. Ko na bus Macau, ko na Kerlachan.
Iyo.
Ko men rebo ni bus ni
Men driver ang
Kerlachan.
dambetal timuri.
Dami timur rin din nila. Ang din nila mo gori. Ang driver total tumay muri.
Kaya kaya yung driver yung basi. Lele orto na kato na baso na seru-seru ito Wata kaya na side to mo na ilo-ilo eh.
Said na ilo-ilo be show me. Ang maintenance.
Kasi nga men rebo ni bus ko ngol na kamang ko initasin. Matulog ko ni susubay kya.
Iyo.
Meron mo the free.
Iyo.
Mo da free.
Kalakalakan.
May mata ni mata sa ilita lang namin tabi.
Hey.
Mbose mbula benaka lagi mau ke busuya Jim isilamba dombula. Usera ngambia wen bukan dombula.
Oh, correct.
Eto
Anda tal tu abi bentari kena bubali lebuni bengkarabi be ya te.
Nicely coach. Nicely coach.
Oh, bina boleh buteka.
Oh, que bonito.
Oh, totoka.
Allah menimba sini ini buka arto saya mati kumingo ini buka bas.
Oi, bertugi.
Do yang benaka.
Awa, artugi.
Erto kaya nga namun arto kaya kiri suba.
Sinusur.
Arto kaya cuma suba.
Kaya lambas itu kena beli suina koro. Sao sinusur waso suba min.
Oh bukan le, orang itu arto bas.
May Sacramento. Ay, Indonesia dal. Iyo, may Sacramento, California.
Right.
Sa dapat ni binaka
Iya.
Nindang bula-bula.
Wah, bukan rumah bertunggu, saya turun ke pambul tal bukan bertunggu malu.
Ndongo sa tumengo.
Mai.
Oh, bila me namudi.
Oi.
Alo ko bisa di boy.
Right, gori. Dongo.
Iyo, wambula tal tunga be kem dobe usia o pita o manasa.
Iyo.
O ane o seni kaloni. Nice nada na.
Sini kalon.
Iyo.
Saya si Eparamo Lazaro Bilo Paula, o Pelasio Beta Caminelli Isoa, o Ilisabanyo Libai,
Iyo.
o Moji kay Sibuloni. Kila rosto siya matumay bay.
Mai.
Etu kunirto. Mayang, New South Wales.
New South Wales, Australia.
Iya.
Ano benaka?
Ambo dalincar ngaya.
Right.
Kora kara tarong ibi demesi na isuluta mo lebih nakat mena ngole ni
Wana washing
lama
machine,
mo
iya.
yo na washing machine. Endo tu kuno mingo na anda we baka nga tekike de odi.
Tagi kede meso.
Meron bini kaya ni.
Lagu-lagu betul satu sila sabi betul itu lah main washing machine. Anta tatoka merengge metumba.
Sila ka ni bang ko lo mo se fresh ka digelo cuma ya. Apa kata lo unggu mo lo me na bicini ulo sa kadu ke mematang.
Agora tá ali para Father Christmas lolo.
Hey, wey. Sa baru mo ka tuni kuwa. Tamaraw, ke ba kay konde? Ke ba kay konde de kuma mai.
Father Christmas
Black.
Okay, bila boleh besar bikin kanta sing warung bugri ko na siguro na baki. Wala binakar bu ng garabi tabi. Kita salah betal tu kan pembimbing bikin berito to kaya bro ta mga ni buwa warung boleh bikin. Ronga tapi mama ni dio na matagri kuwa. Nanti tala no ni sere na manda. May sere serevi. Ronga kaya tala no tapi mama ni dio na sere maawa.
Iya vibes yo ina.
Meta ba nang orang taga biro ndo matalikin nang go kurumundo.